Hello, I am Dr. Sales IQ, a creative specialist and business development manager. 75% of entrepreneurs expect revenue growth, while that's 5% of entrepreneurs wants to innovate new products or services. Market competition all over the world is at that 55%, whereas scaling and growing is a major challenge in the startup industries. Our startups failure rate still persists at 90% all over the world. There is an increasing demand for skilled entrepreneurs all over the world, as lack of product or service fit is cited as a top reason for staff failures. All these are the reasons for the emergence of me, I should say. So I'm passionate about solving the problem of intellectual leverages in business. As we should know, the intellectual leverage in business is the strategic use of information or knowledge which enables increased revenue, scalability, improved customer satisfaction, and sustainable growth of startups. I'm here to teach you new information or knowledge worth leveraging on a consistent basis. It is estimated that up to 75% of the value of US public companies is now based on their intellectual properties, up to up from 40% in the 1980s. For the small businesses, 100% of their value is based on intellectual property. The statistical sources include we have Forbes, we have CB Insight, we have GEM and others. So stay tuned, comment, like and share and subscribe to the channel so that we can help one another on this epic journey. See you in the first lesson and split.